A very good morning, my little ones. How are you all? Welcome back to our session of English. I am your Sujata ma'am, and today we'll revise the two topics, vowels and consonants and E-sound words. Children, do you remember what are vowels? Vowels are sound letters which we speak without closing our mouth. Our tongue does not touch our teeth and lips like A, E, I, O, U. And what are consonants? Consonants are sound letters with which while speaking we block air. Example D, F, H, M, etc. To revise vowels and consonants, let's do English class workbook page number 91 and some more examples. Now let us see which are vowels. A as in apple, E as in elephant, I as in igloo, O as in octopus, U as in umbrella. A says a, E says eh, I says I and E, O says aw, U says a and U. Children, yesterday we did vowels and their phonic sound. Now let us repeat them once again. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are our vowels. A says a, says a, E says eh, E says eh. I says I says E, I says I says E. O says aw, O says aw. U says U says U, U says U says U. These are the phonic sounds of our vowels. Children, we have already learned that there are 26 letters in an alphabet. And from that there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O and U. Now let us find the vowels in the alphabet. First is A. Yes, it is a vowel. B, C, D, E. Yes, E is a vowel. F, G, H, I. Again I is a vowel. J, K, L, M, N, O. Yes, O is a vowel. P, Q, R, S, T, U. Again U is a vowel. V, W, X, Y and Z. So children, what did you learn? There are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U and the rest are consonants. After learning vowels and consonants, let's learn the second topic, A sound words with its examples with words and pictures. English class workbook page number 92. Children, now let us learn some words of A sound from our class workbook. What is this? F. F says for. What is this? A. A says air. What is this? N. N says n. For N. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Now, what is this? C. Says ka. What is this? A. A says air. P says pa. Ka, apple, cap. Ka, apple, cap. What is this? V. V says va. A says a. N says n. Va and van. V-A-N, van. C says ka. A says a. T says ta. Ka at a cat. C-A-T, cat. R says ra. A says a. T says star. R at rat. R-A-T, rat. What is this? B. B says ba. A says a. T says ta. B at a bat. B-A-T, bat. What is this? H. H says ha. A says a. T says ta. H at a hat. H-A-T, hat. M says ma. A says a. T says ta. Ma at a mat. M-A-T, mat. What is this? T. T says ta. A says a. P says pa. Ta, a, pa, tap. T-A-P, tap. Tap matlab null. B says ba. A says a. G says ga. Ba, a, ga, bag. B-A-G, bag. P says pa. A says a. N says n. Pa, n, pen. P-A-N, pen. पेन मतलब कढ़ाई जिसमें मम्मा खाना बनाती है. L says la. A says a. B says ba. La, a, ba, lab. L-A-B, lab. लैब मतलब जहाँ साइंस की एक्सपेरिमेंट्स होती है. ये सब वर्ड्स ए साउंड वर्ड्स है. इसमें ए का साउंड प्राइमरी होता है. इसको आप घर पे पढ़ोगे. Children, I hope you understood vowels and consonants and A sound words. Are you excited to do an activity related to both the concepts? Now let's start the activity. Children, now let us do an activity related to vowels and consonants. There are some vowels and consonants carrots over here. Let us help the rabbit to reach the carrot basket by joining the vowel carrots. Now first vowel is A. So, we'll join it this way. Now, is W a vowel? No. Yeah. What is this? E. So, E is a vowel. Now, is M a vowel? No. Is I a vowel? Yes. So, I. Now, is G a vowel? No. Is O a vowel? Yes. Then O. Now, is B a vowel? No. Is U a vowel? Yes. So, U. A, E, I, O, U. The rabbit will reach the carrot basket. Now, help him to reach the carrot basket. A, E, I, O, U. Wow! The rabbit has reached the carrot basket. Did you all enjoy the activity related to vowels and consonants? Children, now let us do one more activity related to A sound words. I have some words in my hand. We'll read the words and match them to the picture. Which word is this? B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. Where is bag? Yes, this is a bag. What is this? Tap, tap. T-A-P, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Yes, here is a tap. What is this? M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. Where is a mat? Yes, here is a mat. What is this? H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. Is this a hat? No, it is a cap. Where is a hat? Yes, this is a hat. Now what is this? C-A-T, cat. K-A-T, cat. Where is a cat? Cat, cat. Yes, this is a cat. What is this? B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. बैट से आप क्या खेलते हो? क्रिकेट. यस. बैट, बैट. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस? रैट, रैट. R-A-T, रैट. रैट मतलब चूहा. वेयर इज द रैट? हियर इट इज अ रैट. वैन, वैन. VAN, वैन। वैन में स्कूल में आते हो बच्चे आप? यस, दिस इज वैन। एप्पल, कैप। CAP, कैप। अभी हमने कैप देखी थी, कहाँ है कैप? ये रही कैप, CAP, कैप। फैन, FAN, फैन। फैन मतलब पंखा, ये रहा। लैब, LAB, लैब। लैब मतलब जहाँ साइंस की एक्सपेरिमेंट होती है वो जगह, LAB, लैब। पेन, PAN, पेन। पेन मतलब कढ़ाई, जिसमें मम्मा खाना बनाती है, ये रहा पेन। तो आपने सब पिक्चर्स के साथ साथ सब वर्ड्स ज्वाइन कर दिए। These all are A sound words. Did you like the activity? Very good. Children, I hope you enjoyed the activity of vowels and consonants and A sound words. Now let us do the writing of some more A sound words in our English class workbook. Children, now let us write some other words of A sound in our class workbook. First we'll write the date, that is 2.1.21, 2nd of January 2021. Now let us start writing. What is this? This is a red. So standing line, go up and a turn. R, C curve, go up and come down. That is A, standing line and a turn and a slipping line. That is T, R-A-T, red. R says Ra, A says A, T says Ta, Ra at a red. R, A, T, red. Now what is this? Bat. So standing line, go up and a reverse C curve. That is B, C curve, go up, come down A, standing line and a turn. That is T, B-A-T, bat. B says B, A says A, T says ta, B at a bat. B, A, T, bat. Now what is this? Hat. Then standing line, go up, turn and come down straight. H, C curve, go up and come down. A, standing line and a turn and a slipping line. T, H-A-T, hat. H says ha, E says a, T says ta, ha at a hat. H, A, T, hat. Now this, what is this? Mat. Standing line, go up, come down, again go up and come down straight. M, C curve, go up and come down. A, standing line and a turn. T, M-A-T, mat. M says ma, A says a, T says ta, ma at a mat. M, A, T, mat. Children, this is how we will complete the whole page. Write neatly and practice at home. Children, now let us write some more words of A sound in our English class workbook. First, we'll write the date 2.1.21, that is 2nd of January 2021. Now let us start. What is this? Step. So for standing line and a turn and a slipping line, that is T. C curve, go up, come down. A. Standing line, go up and a reverse C curve. P. T-A-P, tap. T says ta. A says a. P says pa. Ta, apple, tap. T. A. P. Tap. Now what is this? Bag. Now standing line, go up and a reverse C curve, that is B. C curve, go up, come down. A. C curve, go up, come down and a turn. G. B-A-G, bag. B says ba. A says a. G says ga. Ba-a-ga, bag. B. A. G. Bag. What is this? Pen. Now standing line, go up and a reverse is P. C curve, go up, come down. A. Standing line, a turn and come down straight, that is N. P-A-N, pen. P says pa. A says a. N says n. Pa and n, pen. P. A. N, pen. What is this? Lab. Standing line is L. C curve, go up and come down is A. Standing line, go up and a reverse C curve, that is B. L-A-B, lab. L says la. A says a. And B says ba. La, a, ba, lab. L. A. B. Lab. Children, this is how we will complete the whole page. So till now you have learned so many A sound words. Keep practicing and writing at home. Children, you will also do page number 57 and 58 in your English homework book. Kids, I hope you have understood both the topics, vowels and consonants, and A sound words. You practice them at home and do it nicely. Children, we'll meet soon. Till then, bye-bye.